Alright, so now we need to figure out, or we need to ask the question that many other people ask. What do we do with our dandelion? It's making my lawn look terrible. Well, once again, we want to re-establish our love affair with nature. Our ancestors taught us that we are all interconnected. Every creature on and around the earth, we are all interconnected. And we all are interdependent, not just interconnected. We all need each other. So it's not about how do I get rid of it. It's about the question is, what is its purpose in our lives? So dandelion is a diuretic. It'll help you lose weight, and it won't deplete your potassium. So it's a better diuretic than many of the diuretics that will be in the pharmacy. I would say all of the diuretics that would be in the pharmacy. But I'm not that gangster yet. So big pharma, y'all just stay right where you at. Not taking your business from you, even though I would never go to big pharma. They got plenty of customers. But I digress. Nature gives us everything we need, including the tools to lose weight, to fight diabetes. This is a powerhouse, and you can just eat it in a salad. But if you drink it as a tea, it'll work more effectively. Also, the dandelion root is used. I used it many, many years ago when I first started using herbs, probably about 30 years ago. I use it as a blood cleanser. So you can use the root as a blood cleanser. The flower is edible, which they're about to come out. The flower is edible, and people use it to make a certain type of honey. I guess they want to call it honey. You don't get rid of the dandelion. You keep it in your life. You promote its growth. You encourage its growth. And it's really not a bad looking plant. So I like to come out. Yes, it is bitter. But when you get the small leaves, take a little piece there and eat it. I eat it right in the morning, just to give my mornings a little boost. Reestablish your love affair with nature. Reestablish your relationship with nature's babies. This one here is dandelion. Again, it's good to help you lose weight. You can treat diabetes with it. Purify the blood, purify the liver. It's been your natural mystic, man, Daku. I'll talk to you soon. Peace and guidance.